So this is one of those advanced vending machines. Is it touchscreen?
Yeah.
Okay, so how do you use it? Show me.
Do you want to buy
Here, I'll
something?
try. Can you hold my phone? So, these are all the different drinks you can buy, right?
Right. The red one is hot. The blue one is cold.
Okay, so this is like a hot green tea.
Mm-hmm.
Is there a cold green tea? What's this?
This is green tea.
That's-
This is not a green tea, but kind of tea.
So I'm gonna try this one here. So I
Okay.
press it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then what do I do? I just put my card here.
Yeah.
Okay. So take my card. That's so cool. Wow, that's awesome.